Hello and welcome to this course on Hadoop Basics. My name is Sijesh and this video we will see what is Safemode. So when a name node start, so first what will happen, it will load this FS image into memory. So we have an FS image saved some time back and load this FS image into memory and apply this edit. So now we have the latest namespace available in the memory and the new FS image will be created at this time, and also it start writing into new edit file. So this time we have a new FS image and relatively new edit. And this is also similar to the checkpoint that we have discussed earlier, but this time without, it's effectively doing a checkpoint without the help of a secondary name node. So this is happening when the name node starts. And when this happen or after this, the name node can respond to the request from the user, but it can respond only to the read request. The problem is during that time, so it will accept only the request for read, then write operation is not supported, and that is called safe mode. So first understand, during the safe mode the write operation is not supported, only the read operation support. Also the read also limited in the sense like you can list the directories and but the actual file reading may or may not work during that time. And we will see what it will do during the safe mode. And before checking that, so let's understand how this data block locations are stored. So this name node does not store that data block location persistently. It do that with whenever the name node start, then it start collecting that information from the data node. So every data node will have the list like what are the blocks associated with and where it's stored, and the data node will send those information to the name node periodically. And whenever the name node starts, so initially the name node doesn't have any information like where these blocks are located, so the data node send those information to the name node. And safe mode ensures, like again, if it's not waiting for safe mode, the name node will think some of the blocks are under replicated and it start replicating, and that again will be a headache. So it has to wait some time until it get the complete report from the data node. And so this safe mode duration is dependent by a couple of parameters like DFS safe mode threshold PCT, and that tell the minimal replication condition. Like say for example by default I think it's a 0.999, that is 99.9% of the blocks are achieved their minimal replication level, then it quit the replication or it quit the safe mode. So basically it's nothing but the name node keep its state into read only mode until it's getting the complete block reports from the data node. So once the safe mode is left or safe mode is over, then it will replicate if any under replicated blocks are there. So until that, the name node will keep quiet and start listening only the read request from the user. And we will see how we can check the safe mode. So there are a couple of commands available that we will see. Now understand what is safe mode. Safe mode is the state where it can accept only the read request. So during that time the name node wait for the name node or data node to send the block reports. I hope this is very clear, and thank you for watching this video. We'll see in the next video. So please do subscribe and give me a like if you like this content.